In this video I will show you one possible cause of water accumulation under car floor mats and an easy way of fixing that problem. The issue I will focus on here are jammed water outlet channels in car doors. Each car door is built to let water flow through it in the downward direction. It is necessary as when windows open, they are not sealed. Please note the gap that appears when the window is being rolled down. Water that enters the door through this gap is supposed to leave through the water outlet channels at the bottom of each door. If these channels are clogged, it will result in water accumulating inside the door. It will raise higher and higher and eventually will find another way of leaving on the left or right. Please note that as it accumulates, it may even reach electric components like the door speaker cable wiring. The way of checking if that is the cause of water under your car mats is easy. Swing each door as shown in the video and listen for the sound of water splashing inside the door. If you hear any liquid inside, the next step is to clean the outlet channels. The ideal way of doing it is by using compressed air, but if that's not an option, try using a skewer stick or something similar. If you're successful on jamming the channels, you should see water leaking out from the door. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. You can also request video topics in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.